So that TV here on YouTube and yedi shiamuno and yedi nsem foforo so bramo anya asem ketwa ye bie nsem nani kama na wo hu de ekọ na nyame aremo chena Kumasi Asante Kotoko bo a Ghana Premier League game match day 4 against Team Accra Lions. Fortunately or unfortunately, Asante Kotoko continue winning a single game crack. One game crack will continue winning. Na kofa nsem piaba because enra the mediema ana oda Kotoko echi no etimi di nkunim ehye Team Accra no eye Bechem United kwa away. Oshe Bechem United by 1-0. Say no share the answer. Kumasi Asante Kotoko aba bedasi with 2 points. Team at that top no that Kotoko stop here. Bechem United or 3 points. Now Oko Bechem pressure. Aba people are calling for the head of the coach. And the Ochinaisa Kotoko timi bibi. Yes, our Kotoko game against Ghana no and no very difficult to crack. Na yɛde nsɛm no bremo. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Na mboa my channel ne dwumadie no nkɔ n'anim na mebibia nkɔ yie. And I recorded from a new location. Going to Accra and I recorded from that location. Na mamemfa Kotoko squad no ma wotew. On say medika ka kyerɛ mo sɛ Isaac Opon Epra. And me ka kyerɛ mo sɛ Sharif Mohammed defender. Oh, we're out. And metua so edema was say Brantia, your friend Julius Ufurizigi out. And I'm sa catch us if Fuseni Sahabu and also out of the match. Now exactly saying me kind as I'm ranting in the squad. Now remember possible lineup no the last week with the two come. I'm actually maybe I say open possible lineup in the bar. You be 9 out of 11. Go 11. And the goalkeepers name you we is party akefie. Sasna Fatau Sedu akefie. And the Dala Ibrahim and a branch here friend Asare Frederick Asare. And Jumanama Kotoko. Now right back no Augustine in Japan. Aba back. I'm a John Terry Kuswaba and a Nicholas or say Bonsu. Finally, Bonsu Swaba. Nana Benny in the squad no. Nana Benny and Mickey the squad. Samuel also Prakakra. My squad and damn Samuel Bodo. Different Koulibaly in this squad. He had a wonderful game, I just so content Tanos one amount for one of us, but one may keep the squad no ha. Chirono, Mama right and left, no Henry Ansu, and Yusuf Nuruddin, and a Dawuni Yaya from Susubibi, where you rock. Them say that FA Cup matches and start here. Dawuni Yaya being a squad, people will see the ultimate here. Now, when a Justice Blade, Sharif Mohammed, Andrews, indeed men, and a Michael Che Damana, and they have 15 for no holding for no 4. Blade Sharif, Che Damana, and Andrews indeed men. Now, when a creative for no. When Enoch Morrison, Baba Yaya, Eric Zeze, and Richmond Lamptey, and also Asante Kotoko. Now, Tak no when Bernard Sumwa, Peter Aqua, Kalu Watara, George Fig, we can Fig. Now, Steve Kuala, LED attack no. We a nipa makuma do 21 one more bas by the time I post 2 video the number 2 one kind now possible lineup no me dey bro but my fan 2 and him say na watch you Kotoko video analysis na ye adwuma on say Accra Lions match no boy against Mediama no. The Mediama TV, or Midi TV, or Mika game no. Now the Mesaka and say woman saka video na your wedma. Na Sasuna Lions ne Brekum Chelsea game no. Once Obubo Brekum was live on TV. The video analyst net nase. A sonny video no so. And the Yawada now Kotoko Nyambo ball together with Kotoko training. A video near my own the tell boys no. Win for her. And Team Kotoko video analyst na eduma pa. Actually say a strategic starting 11 based on how to neutralize the strength of Accra Lions. Now at the same time, I'm making sure say team friend Asante Kotoko. What I said. One weaknesses now my show of matches no more. One more ebe so. Limited the errors no. Video analyst for now. Man, no. With the possible lineup, but my man can be into coach. Coach, you are cooking something, but whatever that you are cooking, so when you win against Accra Lions, and I'm cooking dinner and start here bar. The who kicking who walk kitchen who cook and young go for him. You need a win to spice whatever you are cooking in the kitchen. The own our kitchen on who young could be a because se obia fali cable no shena kotokodasia. No matter the number of passes are playing, what the exchanging on possessing number of dominance, how God dominate the opponent, whether the game is beautiful or not, people will not pay attention to those minor developments. How they are cutting on. As to say the midfielders are comfortable with the ball, their team is creating chances. Sad discussions, no, discussions, they say they intina coach Ogum, Wama Kodasie. That will be the discussions, and they have to focus ball. Should have to folk win. Should have to folk win. Has because 6 points. The dear man, I started picking the pieces. The Diana, I started picking the pieces because the Diana, that was 6 points. How to folk should they be dreams? They are moving to 6. The dear man, that was a match in hand of 5 points. So these are the genuine competitors in the Ghana Premier League. Send an American last week, you know. I suspected that these teams will start picking. So Kotoko one start and picking one taking honor. On the first name before Accra Lions when they were top. So naturally when people are having a discussion, they broaden their scope and say that all the big teams are not picking up. But now if you are now 2 weeks. Because she become Chelsea. Bidiama our game in hand. But of 4 points. What I say? On a year Lions ball draw. And a quite way to a Diana could lose. And what could be Chima into a 4 or match back fear. Probably against Nations FC. It's a wood team common man. Now on where Diama or match back is the defending champions no more points than what? So you need a win to spice what you are cooking in the kitchen. On say can be spicy aduane. Na say me aduane na tuwa bebre me aduane ya kono. Na wo gina chire a aduane na frefro am aba abedi. So whatever you are cooking you need a win against Lion to spice things up. Whatever possible lineup into one. Danlad Ibrahim Augustine Japan John Teleku Henry Ansu Yusuf Nuruddin Sharif Mohammed Intimenu Eric Zeze Babayaya member the council so ana Minyan TSA Bernard Somwa bet me about the other side na George Ifigi early the attack any idea or how many air to it the Minyan TN from a source Danlad Ibrahim Japan Teleku Henry Ansu Yusuf Nuruddin na when you branch here your friend Sharif Mohammed Intimenu, Eric Zeze Babayaya, Bernard Sumwa, George, Steve Mukwala. So be TV, I'm in family here. I'm here to my vision. Bye bye.